Hey guys, welcome back to Shannie Says. If you're new, welcome. I'm Shannie and this channel is dedicated to planning, budgeting, setting and achieving goals, beauty and fashion on a budget, and everyday tips and tricks that can assist persons in successfully getting through life as adults. Today, I want to share a secret or a tip that can make one bottle of shampoo last for up to 6 months or possibly a year. Now listen closely. Here's the secret. Come closer. Only shampoo your hair when it's dirty. Wait. And if you do shampoo your hair, only apply the shampoo to your roots. Now, I know this may be a duh moment for some, but for others, this may be your aha moment. It's very simple and it's something that you would think would just naturally happen, but think about it. A lot of us have ourselves on a strict weekly regimen. You may have a wash day every Saturday, every Wednesday. Point blank, once a week. Religiously, you wash your hair. But let's just say that you didn't really do much with your hair isn't really dirty. Why use shampoo? Your hair may not really be dirty every single wash day. So if it's not dirty, then don't add shampoo to it. Just deep condition it. That way you can keep up with the moisture and you can keep up with the manageability. You can still go through your whole deep conditioning process, but just skip the shampoo if your hair isn't dirty. Now, when it comes to only applying the shampoo to your roots, here's why. If you really think about it, the only parts of our hair that really gets dirty or oily or has dandruff is our roots. So that's literally the only part we really need to focus the shampoo on. Now, of course, there are the rare occasions where we would have a bit of product buildup along the length of our hair, and that's fine. That would be the exception to the rule. Sometimes you may have used a lot more product, or you may have done a wash and go that requires a lot of gel, and you would put the gel along the length of your hair. Of course, in those situations, like I said, that is the exception to the rule. And even then, you don't need to apply a lot of shampoo along your hair. You can still apply it to your roots, get it all sudsy up, massage it in or whatever, and then bring it straight down to the length of your hair. And as you wash your hair out, as you wash the shampoo out of your hair, that is, the length of your hair will eventually get touched by the shampoo and water and the suds and everything, and it's gonna get cleaned. So you don't have to waste a lot of shampoo on one wash day. Apart from stretching your shampoo, another benefit to this method is that you avoid your hair and your strands from being stripped of all of the natural oils that your scalp produces, which can eventually cause breakage, and then you'll be wondering why you can't retain any of the length. Maybe you're shampooing your hair too much or putting too much shampoo on it. Trust me, by following these 2 simple rules, you will see a huge difference in your natural hair. Your hair will be way more moisturized and shiny for longer periods of time. And who knows, you may even use less conditioner because you no longer have to overcompensate for consistently stripping your hair of all of its natural oils and all of the moisture. So anyway guys, that's the secret. But just to throw in a little word, just a little word for you. Maybe, just maybe, we can take this tip and apply it to our daily lives. Sometimes we have the right tools in life, but we don't know how to use it. By misusing the tools that we have that are supposed to be beneficial to us in our lives, sometimes we end up setting ourselves up for failure and causing a bunch of setbacks unknowingly. But wait, all is not lost. Once we become aware of our mistakes and we apply the new knowledge that we gain, we can turn things around. Just a little word for you. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I would know, and be sure to share it with somebody to help them. If this is your first time clicking on my video and you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you're notified whenever I post a video. And you guys continue to be blessed, and I will see you in my next one.